The short history of the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin. It was designed to be an air superiority fighter, but also has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. The F-22 entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 2005 and has been used in various combat operations. The development of the F-22 began in the 1980s as a replacement for the aging F-15 Eagle. The Air Force released a request for proposals for the Advanced Tactical Fighter program, and in 1991, Lockheed Martin was awarded the contract to build the F-22. The first F-22 prototype made its maiden flight in 1997, and the first production model was delivered to the Air Force in 2003. Despite its impressive capabilities, the F-22 has been criticized for its high cost and limited production numbers. The original plan was to produce over 750 F-22s, but due to cost overruns and budget constraints, the production was limited to 195 aircraft. Despite its limited numbers, the F-22 has proven to be a valuable asset in modern warfare. Its stealth technology, advanced avionics, and supersonic speed make it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat. It continues to be used by the U.S. Air Force and is considered to be one of the most capable air superiority fighters in the world.